Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got another video for you. It's like this will be the first official 360 video for Real TVO. We have pretty much been experimenting in the laboratory, or the lab. Not necessarily a laboratory. We don't have a laboratory, we just have a little computer lab. And eventually, we're doing some experimenting around and with the 360 cam. Put it that way. And just, okay. Well, anyway, we had some pretty good feedback on it. And so we decided somewhere along the way we're going to try to do a video here and there. Right now is the plan, because these videos are quite difficult to edit and give street titles. I didn't want to take away from that because people want to know where they actually are. So I want to try to see if I can keep that in there, though, because other than that, it's easy just to throw the video on the screen and just let it go, and you just have to figure it out, But for those who don't know about it, they will have to, they'll be lost, and that's kind of upsetting to them. So, I want everybody to be able to enjoy the videos. So, this is pretty much, I think, what we come up with. I hope everything lines up all right. But we'll have some 360 videos here and there for right now, though, because it's like I say, it takes a lot to get these videos edited, and it takes a lot to get them uploaded. The metadata codes and stuff that have to be programmed into the system in order for you to recognize 360 videos is difficult as well. There are software programs out there that does it, for you, though, but some of them is free, but the deal is it has to be able to work with your softwares and stuff. So we pretty much right now it's just that programming Excel, so that takes quite a bit of time, and that's going to knock back the amount of videos we're able to post. So that's the reason why I say right now this is just going to be a here and there type thing right now. So, special video occasion, that really warrants the need to have that 360 there. Though, but I definitely know that everybody's enjoying. There's a lot of views being seen on the video, and I'm very grateful for that. That's great support. And I'd like to ask those supporters, if they possibly would, but they hit that subscribe button as well. Join the rest of the Real TV family. So, we want to keep this thing going here, and those my bonuses to each and every one of you. Hit that subscribe and that like button is to continue to bring more of these videos. Our series called Outdated in Time. So I'll give you more information in future videos to come. So I'm gonna let this go ahead on and wrap this stuff up. And thank you once again for tuning in to our videos. Like, comment, subscribe. We still got a few things to work out. We got audio issues to work out as well. So hopefully the sound wasn't too distorted. And yeah, we'll see what goes, what comes in the future, where we go from here. All right. Have a great day, everybody.